Are you looking for the best scroll saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 7 best scroll saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Wenspeed Scroll Saw. This table saw is a versatile and powerful tool that can handle a variety of cuts. The unique design allows for infinite ripping capacity, and the variable speed means that it can be adjusted to meet the needs of any project. The spacious table and beveled edges make it easy to work with, and the thumb screw blade adapter makes it easy to change blades. The cast iron base and air pump make it durable and easy to use, and the flex light and dust port make it easy to keep the work area clean. The footlock clamp and onboard storage make it easy to keep the saw organized and safe, and the 3 blades make it easy to get started on any project. At number 2, DeWalt Scroll Saw. The double parallel link arm design on the saw is great for reducing vibrations and noise while you're cutting, allowing for more accurate cuts. The exclusive tool-free blade clamps make it easy to change blades in seconds, and the on-off switch, electronic variable speed, flexible dust blower, and blade tensioning lever are all conveniently located on the front upper arm. The arm design pivots from the back of the saw to the front, shortening the arm movement for a smoother, quieter operation. The arm also lifts so the blade can be easily threaded through the material for inside cuts. At number 3, Delta Power Tool Saw. The DeWalt DW788 1.3 amp 20-inch variable speed scroll saw is one of the best scroll saws on the market, and it's perfect for a wide range of cutting applications. The electronic variable speed can be adjusted from 400 to 1750 SPM, and the dual parallel link arm design reduces vibration, resulting in less over and undercutting and improved accuracy and quality. The upper arm lifts and locks in the raised position during blade changes or while adjusting blade position for fret work, and the tool-free blade clamp allows for quick, easy blade changes in seconds. The bevels range from 0 degrees to 45 degrees left and right, and the motor is 1.3 amp. The on-off switch, electronic variable speed dial, flexible dust blower, and blade tensioning lever are all conveniently located up front on the arm for easy accessibility. The on-tool blade storage area provides neat, organized protection for scroll saw blades, and includes 2 straight blades. At number 4, Shopfox Variable Saw. The 1/16-inch variable speed scroll saw is a powerful and versatile tool that is perfect for a variety of woodworking and scroll sawing projects. With a 1/8 HP motor and a 16-inch maximum cutting width, this saw can handle even the most challenging projects. The included gooseneck work light, dust blower, and dust port make it easy to keep your work area clean and clear, and the variable speed control allows you to adjust the speed of the blade to suit your needs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the 1/16-inch variable speed scroll saw is a great choice for your next project. At number 5, General International Scroll Saw. This jigsaw is unique in that it has a tilting head, allowing you to cut at a variety of angles while still keeping your workpiece level. The on-off safety switch and integrated upper and lower blade guard assembly help to prevent accidental contact with the blade. The blade mounting is adjustable, so you can raise or lower the blade to make the perfect cut. The finger-operated blade clamps make changing the blades quick and easy, with no tools required. The large table surface provides plenty of space to work on a variety of materials. Overall, this jigsaw is a great choice for anyone looking for a versatile and user-friendly saw. At number 6, BUCKTOOL Variable Speed Scroll Saw. The DC motor on the 1.2 amp model is more durable than the AC motor on the 3 amp model, making it a good choice for those who need a quiet, smooth performance. The cast iron work table is also more robust and durable, with a 16 by 9-inch surface that can bevel up to 45 degrees to the left for angled cuts. The cutting depth is 2 inches with a 16-inch throat depth. The vibration-free LED light is another safety feature, as it provides a clear view when cutting. The portable foot pedal with hand-free convenient pedal switch is also a safety feature, as it allows the user to easily stop and start the tool with a simple press of the foot. The quick-change blade system with quick-opening side panel and user-friendly blade holder is a convenient feature that makes it easy to change blades. The saw comes with 3 blades, 2 with pins and 1 pinless. At number 7, Excalibur Scroll Saw. This saw is amazing. It has a unique tilting head that allows you to tilt it 30 degrees left or 45 degrees right to keep the workpiece level, which results in better control and more precise cuts. The integrated blade guard helps prevent accidental hand contact with the blade, and the switch protection device prevents unintentional startup. You can also easily raise or lower the mounting position of the blade to make just the right cut. Changing the blades is quick and easy, thanks to the finger-operated blade clamps, and the large table surface allows you to cut any material you need. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.